Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So here we have in for sale today a very rare van. This is a Ford Transit Connect Limited Series L2, sort of a long wheelbase version in metallic agate black. Very low mileage, covered just under 8,000 miles. Registered August 2021 and comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. So 1.5 litre, 120 PS, Euro 6.2, 6-speed manual gearbox. As it's a limited series, there's a few telltale signs already. So you've got body colour side mouldings, body colour door handles, body colour door mirrors. You get rear park pilot, so rear parking sensors. You get the dual spoke alloy wheels. Power folding and heated door mirrors, heated windscreen, leather 4-spoke steering wheel inside, cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, corner and fogs. Excellent condition inside and out. So inside the back you get a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment. If you lower one of the passenger seats and lift the bulkhead flat, that gives you a huge amount of load length just through there. So ply lining inside, easy clean floor, various tie downs, LED load lighting and 180-degree rear barn doors. And so inside the cab, again in excellent condition like the rest of the vehicle. You've got the dual belted passenger seat with various configuration. So you have additional under-seat storage, USB connectivity, and a fold-down table plus cup holders in the middle seat. You get 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support, electric windows, power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, including audible messaging, automatic rain sensing wipers, cruise control, speed limiter, and then just behind that is the Ford Power start stop button, so keyless start, and just confirming the miles. 6-speed manual gearbox, so 3 pedals. Then up here you've got the manual air conditioning, you've got the 2 heated seats, the heated door mirrors, the heated windscreen, quick clear and quick cool. And up here is the Ford entertainment system, so a 4.2-inch LCD display, FM, AM, DAB radio. When your phone's connected through here, it plays Spotify, reads your messages out loud, etc. And it also displays the rear park pilot, like so. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Connect Limited Series L2, so the long wheelbase, 120 PS, 1.5 litre, 6-speed manual gearbox, excellent condition inside and out, metallic agate black, covered just under 8,000 miles. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.